Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install your curly clip-ins using Sassina Hair. This is going to be my second review from them, and I really love their company. So I'm just showing you the packaging in the bottom left corner. It comes with eyelashes, combs, and extra clip-ins. It has your little brochure, and also when you first open it, you'll have a thank you note in it, and it's super cute. And I got two packages. I believe it was 16 and 18. If not, I'll correct myself on the screen. But basically what I'm going to be doing here is I'm just going to wash the hair and I'm going to shampoo it because it had a little stench to it. So I just want to make sure that stench goes away. So I'm going to shampoo it and then I'm going to go ahead and add my styling cream. And I don't really need like a leave-in conditioner because it's not my hair, so I'm not going to do the most. And I know that this hair is going to be defined with just a styling cream. And so I use a Just For Me styling milk, I believe. So what I did notice about this hair was that it was a lot thinner than the hair I received before. And honestly, I think it's because of the processing it went through while bleaching it. So I had to diffuse this hair, and I've never really diffused hair before, so it came out kind of good for me to be diffusing it. Sorry if my voice sounds so raspy, y'all. I just woke up and I'm at the car shop, so I was like, why not finish this video? It's a little bit overdue, but anyway, as you saw, I was trying to create more volume by running the dimming brush through it and scrunching it up at the same time. And y'all can see, look at my hair, y'all. It was a mess at the top. So basically, I just split my hair in half and I tried to put some leave-in conditioner because y'all see it look super dry. So I split my hair in half and I added some clip-ins where I felt I wanted them because anytime I do clip-ins, it's a must for me to do a half up, half down look. So I added them between my hair and then I'm making sure I define it before I put in my hair because I don't want to tug on my scalp or anything. So I just defined it before I put it in my head. So I'm going to make sure I just oil my scalp and keep it moisturized, and then I'm going to slick up the top half of my hair. I'm going to be using Wetline Xtreme Gel. Honestly, you guys, I don't know what kind of porosity level type hair I have, but my hair was damp and it did not slick. So it might look slick for the moment, but it was not slick at all. I had to redo it when it was like completely dry. But anyway, so I'm just going to be putting a ponytail around the base of my head, I guess. Did that make sense? I don't know. Then I'm just going to do my edges, and I'm going to add some edge control because y'all see it's super wavy up there. So I just applied my scarf. I'm going to let my edges set, and from this point I'm going to take care of my leave out. So this was a more difficult part. It's never been this difficult before because I felt the hair was extra thin. I feel like it didn't cover as much as I planned for it to cover, or like blend in, I guess. So what I usually do is exactly what I'm doing now. I take my leave out and I separate it from the fake hair, and I just moisturize it, I oil it, brush through it, and then I twist it up. So I think I did about 2 or 3 of those. It looks like 2. So I put the twist around the base of the ponytail. And so as you can see, it leaves that little bun like right in the middle. That was not cute to me. I couldn't figure out how to mask it. So I ended up putting the fake hair when it was dry and like a little bit thicker around the base of the ponytail. So it didn't look so off, you know? So this is just the part where I diffuse the hair. I try to make it more voluminous, try to make it thicker. Like I want to make sure I'm covering that bun, and I'm trying to go to sleep too. So it was wet. So I've never diffused hair before, so this is what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong. I'm just leaving it there for like a short period of time. Probably should have left it there for like 30 seconds each, but I don't know. So I just tried to make sure it was getting puffier. That's all I wanted. Wherever I felt like it wasn't dry, I just ended up taking off the diffusing attachment or the diffuser attachment, and I just started drying like the inside of my scalp that was also kind of wet. So yeah. In the next few clips, you'll notice how I was able to cover the bun, and that's about it for this tutorial, you guys. You see how I got a lot bigger? That's what I wanted. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys for all your support. If you want more information about this hair, look in the description box down below, and I'll be sure to talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.